Integrator Basic Training, Chapter 5, Adding and Programming ARC Controls, Part 1. After completing this chapter, you should be able to recognize 4 common ARC control devices used with the Integrator series, identify the ARC K1E control by its rotary encoder and describe a typical use case for this control device, explain how the ARC SW4E's programmable buttons recall presets, understand the capabilities and limitation of the ARC EX4Es for expanding the functionality of the ARC K1E and ARC SW4E, explain how the RC3 potentiometer can be used as a simple control and how its configuration differs from ARC controllers. One of Symetrix's lines of remote control devices are called ARCs. ARC stands for Adaptive Remote Control, and these are the devices used with the Integrator Series DSPs. This chapter covers programming 3 of the Symetrix ARC wall panels we manufacture, as well as the analog RC3 remote control. In a later chapter, we'll add another ARC control as well, the ARC2E. Each of our products in this line have a model name that begins with ARC, followed by the specific ID for this device. Since we're primarily talking about the ARC devices in this training, we'll often drop the ARC for the sake of brevity. The RC3 potentiometer is not strictly speaking an ARC controller and uses the GPIO connections on the DSP. However, it is a great device for providing simple and fast control of DSPs in the Integrator series, so we're going to include it here. Regardless of which control device you'll be adding to your project, start programming the ARC wall panels by clicking on the External Control Wizard button in the toolbar or in the menu. We're showing the ZoneMix 761 software here, but you'll find the External Control Wizard in the same places on the Jupyter DSP software as well. Now we'll walk through each of the controllers and describe the steps to add them to your project and learn to assign them to specific functions.